Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about Prime Minister Andrew Holness, aka Bro God. Also, we want to talk about the viral king, Foota hype. Also, we want to talk about Pretti and Hurricane Melissa, Category 5. People, Foota hype and Pretti deal with Andrew Holness. Wicked Pretti and Foota hype style and this and expose Andrew Holness in the wickedest way. And a whole bunch of people feel the same way. Seeing people, a whole bunch of people out there say Andrew Holness nah do nothing for the Jamaican people. Andrew Holness only a walk around and a take one bag of picture and a make one bag of video with the Jamaican people, while the Jamaican people homeless, while Jamaican people hungry, thirsty. Jamaican people out there are starved, hungry, attack in a Jamaica. Jamaica right now in a pandemic state, a state of emergency, and Prime Minister Andrew Holness a roll away. Foota hype and Pretti and a whole bunch of people on social media and a whole bunch of victims of Hurricane Melissa a call out Andrew Holness. The people them a say the celebrity them are do more for Jamaican people versus Andrew Holness. The people them say right now they hungry. We are going in a Jamaica are the celebrity them stop the hungry. The celebrity them dip on the ground. The celebrity them out there are put in the work where Andrew Holness now do. If people them say look like say Andrew Holness now have no plan. Everything where them say them put in place for disaster like hurricane and earthquake. The people them now see the effect of where Andrew Holness put in place. Them say right now Andrew Holness a run around like a duck when him head cut off. Are the celebrity them out there a do the work. A Jamaicans out there a do the work. A aid a come from other country out there a do the work. Like the United States of America have them Navy down there. El Salvador send people down there. A them a put in the work. Viewers and subscribers, this is not about politics, but you know say politician are gonna be politician. The politician them a pay attention to the donation them we are coming, a whole bunch of money we are coming. Also the politician them a pay attention to the disaster insurance money where Jamaica supposed to get, like $150 million. I think that work out to like 24 billion Jamaican dollar. A pay scamming and choppings a go on. Andrew Holness a say the amount of money where it will take for rebuild but Jamaica are like $1 trillion. People, it a go get crazy in a Jamaica. It a go get wicked. A whole bunch of Jamaican people a lose faith in the government. When the government knows election time, they mobilize the police, them get a whole bunch of bus, them buy gas where them figgy people, them have a whole bunch of money where them spend in a election, them find the people them pay off the people them give the people them things to win election. A whole bunch of them politicians make crazy money off of the Jamaican people them salary crazy. Enough of them politicians have more money than the artists them, and we not see them politicians are going at them pocket and a give back to them community and a help our people. We see massacre out there give away, which is Sean Storm. We see Tammy Lee out there give away. We see Beanie Man out there give away. As a matter of fact, Beanie Man even have bulldozer out there clean up road and do work. We see Shaggy loading private jet full of food. We see Sean Paul help people. Sean Paul even come online and beg people in funds them for right across the board for donate. We see Vice Cartel plan for help people. Same way. Alkaline plan for help people. In a Trelawney. Same way. Seeing, we see Buju Banton a load of plane. Same way. Figure Jamaica. A crazy people out there. A give to Ramesh, seeing, and I give Ramesh resources to give back to Jamaican people. Me like to see where the artists them a do. The same artists them where them not like. The same artists where them disrespect. The same artists them where they lock up for bad word. The same artists them where they lock off the stage show and lock off the dance. And them artists here out there a stop Jamaican people hungry. If the artists them they decide say they not help, worst problem would have in a Jamaica are the artists them we see a help. We even see TikTokers a give back. We even see some artists when a boss a give back, and we know more artists a go give back as well. A crazy people me see overseas a send stuff go Jamaica and a donate water, chapalin, tent and all type of stuff. Even a buy generator for send going at them country. Seeing we even said to the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the extension where you give pan the duty free, the tax award, you give till December, the ending of December, and that no make no sense. That need to go on till all the way at the end of 2026. Cause enough people right now not get pay. Enough people have rent for pay. And end a month and first a month in the United States right now. So enough people are pay them rent. Enough people are pay them mortgage. It take time for a man go shop and pack a barrel. It take time for you get to the ship. It take time for the ship reach a Jamaica. So the extra time where you give no make no sense. You need to extend it all the way till the end of 2026. It look like Andrew Holness now have no plan. Andrew Holness right now, he might go take a systematically type of mindset him depend. He might go take a systematically mindset, seeing that the type of action him go take while the people them hungry, while the people them homeless. Seeing, so where Andrew Holness are put in place and the type of money where him talk about, it a go build back certain building, it a go build back the road and help clean up the country. But we know say Andrew Holness really not go do nothing for the poor people them where have board house and they live in a some zinc house. Remember say them people did a suffer for morning. Remember say them people no have it. So them people have to go find them own a way out. And we know say right now Jamaica roll away. The taxi man them a raise up fear as well. Seeing the fear them for night taxi a raise up. We know say enough of the hardware store them. I go raise up cement, I go raise up block, I go raise up zinc, plywood, steel, all of them thing there. So the Prime Minister need to attack all of that as well. And yes, we know say things take time. Yes, we know say this not gonna happen in a one day, but at the same time, that's why we say Jamaica. That's why we burn out the politics part. That's why we burn out labor right. That's why we burn out PMP and say the two of them need to come together. Seeing, but right now, money them a watch. The man them all have parliament meeting where cost them a cost, and the money them a pay attention for. And me promise you this Jamaican people, crazy scamming a go on with the insurance money. It's crazy scamming a go on with the donation, because we know them corrupt, and we did a beg them say make that one year pass. But this are the biggest payout in a Jamaican history. $24 billion, seeing 150 million US dollar uno do the maths. And me know say enough of the money there insurance money. So the money they're supposed to go back to the country. The money they're supposed to go back to help whosoever on can help poor people. Right now, Andrew Holness behave like a waste man. And I see some people in the comment section attack, but at the end of the day, the people out there, we are ball out, a jump out TV production, them a cry out to other people, plus we are help who we can help. And remember, we have with family members, them at Jamaica, we affected as well, where we are try help. And now, so we out here putting in the work. This are enough views, so like, comment, share, subscribe. Them video here, we are make it so you can go. They can right now, we are the voice of the voiceless, the people and when I have no internet, the people and we are ball, we need aid in a Westmoreland, the people and where they in a certain shelter, we no have no food, we no have no running water, and then we attack for. We are the voice of the voiceless, one Jamaica, pro Jamaica, F politics. Put politics to the side, but we know say them politicians are trained politician them. So at the end of the day, they can't stop being politician. So in everything them are go put politics and crazy money. Did they say whole of them want a payout? And me will tell you this Jamaican people, I work the politician them a work. Them are go do what's best for the upper class. Them are go do what's best for corporate Jamaica. Them not really care about poor people. And if you no think say the politician them care about uno go find out. And enough of them when they need uno vote, uno see them in the street, uno see them everywhere. How they can mobilize no motorcade now? How we not see 1,000 bike out there? Them politicians no care about poor people. Andrew Holness say have a disaster plan. And all now we not see the military mobilize as yet. Andrew Holness need to put a state of emergency on Jamaica. Cause police we see out there dirt 1 and 2 people. Criminals are active in Jamaica right now. Even down at Westmoreland in the shelter them. Enough woman, the man them are running pan. Grape are going right now. Enough of the woman them not safe. Enough of the woman them afraid. We know the little dirty thinking jankra them. The 87 them are going to run out. And the 87 them out there are charge extortion. The 87 them out there, the thugs, the gangster them out there are rob people, where out there are try help people. Remember the lady we get robbed in a Alan Bamboo. Yes, there is more cases. People out there are get robbed. The shelter them no have no police. The shelter them no have no soldier. So right now Andrew Holness need to call for a state of emergency and mobilize the police them. Jamaica Defense Force soldier need for they everywhere in a Jamaica. It is more than a week since the hurricane, so we don't have as much time to mobilize the soldier them. Enough of the shelter them need police. The shelter them need soldier. In a Christian and Manchester Wednesday, the police them just slap away at 87. At 87, 3 of them out there are collect extortion and a rob people and a running pan people in a bar. Cause no light, no did they, no power, no did they. No 5 people and boring. 1 and 2 shop have a generator. Some have candle. People are goat because them boring. They don't have no power to watch no TV. Enough people stress out, so them there at the bar. The police them in a Christian and Manchester get a call, say 3 man a walk around in the community with firearm, a collect extortion money, and the police them running pan them. 1 of them get slapped away, but them not identify him as yet. No for the place them in a mobile same way the criminal them are run rampant in a Jamaica. The people them done stress out already. The people them done hungry. People them done not have no food. But enough man out there a thief food. Enough man out there a hijack the vehicle them. The vehicle them we are go out there fi try help poor people. The man them a rob the vehicle. Enough artists a fi carry them security and crazy team member friends with them for protection. A diabolical. Right now is a diabolical time in a Jamaica. The approach where the Prime Minister take in a make, he might need to make some executive decision and deploy the soldier them right across Jamaica. Every community in a Jamaica, mainly the one them we got affected by Hurricane Michelle. The whole of the shelter them need protection. Yes, you have soldier out there clean up the road. We understand that. But at the end of the day, them people here really need help. The woman them not safe. Them are running and grape. The woman them are go through it in a time like this. So we need the police them for they right across Jamaica. We need the soldiers them for be deployed. And we need a state of emergency right now because the thief them out there at work. And me I tell you, say, the celebrity them, I like to see how we artists them come together and help people. Where them a do it, even if them a do it for hype, even if them a do it for clout, even if them a do it for fame, at least them out there help. At least them out there give back. The artists them organize more than Andrew Holness. The artists them organize more than the government of Jamaica. If I never for the artists them and celebrity, chaos would have gone in a Jamaica. This proved to Jump Out TV production said them never have no disaster plan. Them never have anything where them put together. I don't want to hear say because the level of the disaster because it's a category 5 or it's too devastating. I don't want to hear that. We go through crazy hurricane in a Jamaica. Even last year, Hurricane Burrell, even Ivan, they shouldn't have a system in place. Right now, we look like say the politician them don't know what them a do. All them a cuss about and money and who forget money. Yes, every MP needs to get a certain amount of money so they can give to the parish council people them so they can mobilize in a them constituency and help out who them fi help out. Instead of Andrew focus on the country as a whole in need to mobilize in government, JLP and PNP so them can help Jamaican people because Jamaican people need help right now. Jamaican people are struggling right now. Big up the whole of the artists them. When them do friggery, we burn them out. When them buy gun, we burn them out. When them do effort, we burn them out. But right now is the time for humanity. And we like the type of humanity, type of work where the artists them a do and a spend them hard earn money. Remember, so when Jamaica tax the artists them, they not care. Remember, so when them a take away the artists them vehicle, they not care. Remember, so them take away Range Rover from Bunty, Benz and Range Rover for Elephant Man. Remember, so when them a go for taxes from the artists them, they not play. When them a charge the artists them not play. When them a like a stage show, them not play. But me like to see how the artists them a give back. Me see Foota hype a burn a fire for a certain producer in a Jamaica, certain promoter. So man we keep sure every year. And we know say Joe Bogdanovich in attack. All know we not see Joe Bogdanovich run out. We don't know if he more run out this month, next month or what. But we know say Jamaican people are gonna need help all the way till next year. But a whole bunch of people get stuff from Jamaica. A whole bunch of them make money off of Jamaica and make money from the Jamaican people. So it's only right for everybody give back. Cause if Jamaica Jamaica no build back and the people them can get back to them daily life, problem I got did it. So the artists them know say them need the people them support, know say them need the country up and running as fast as possible. So the artists them a give back. Enough of them artists, a majority artists wouldn't be nothing without fans, nothing without Jamaican people. So I like how the artists them put Jamaica first. Right now is the time to give back. I'm like how the artists them a buy where them a buy and I go out there and I distribute it. Cause enough people not trust the government. The government are the biggest scammer. A crazy people are go get chopped. Enough of the insurance money, them are go chopped. By the time a man give money to the government here and him take for him cut, give it to the man here, him take for him cut, give it to the contractor enough of the money I got thief up. But we want to see some people get help. Who live in a zinc house, who live in a board house, who can get ply, who can get zinc, who can get tent, who can get this, who can get that. We not see the government a give back. We not see the government out there a give away food. We not see where the government really a do. Other people from other country have here set up makeshift hospital. Other people we have here see are bringing tent. People will run left Jamaica and go overseas, see a better life. Them are send back things going at them community, fi help them family, fi help them friend, fi help people in them area. If the government only did that depend upon hungry with a kill no. Yes, we know say it all take a time and Andrew having work fi cut out for him. But right now the people them hungry, the people them want water, the people them want food, the people them have toilet and no have no water fi flush it, the people them no have no way fi bathe, no five people them no shelter, only can get 1 meal a day. In a Westmoreland, they have a school where 150 different family members live there. The people them no have no water. I teach them if you help them. I teach them if you cook. I teach them if you do certain things. As night come down, the people them have here go in, no protection. They lock up in the school. In the schoolyard, no have no security guard. In have no police. In have no soldier. If enough of the criminal and the bad man and me 87 did know say police and soldier did it, they wanna stay by themselves, they wanna take with themselves, but them know say the people them is vulnerable and the people them become prey right now. And the 87, the gangster them out there are prey upon the Jamaican people them. The Jamaican people them in the shelter need protection, them need food and them need water. We need to see the Jamaican Defense Force, the right across Jamaica, the whole of the camp them fi empty. Remember, say they have a soldier camp in a near Newcastle. Crazy soldier up there, so up part camp, and next soldier camp a Montego Bay, one in a Mandeville. We need all of them soldier there for the right across Jamaica. Andrew Holness need to do a state of emergency so the bad man them can stay inside. Cause hungry already a kill the people them. Thirst already a kill them. Cold them no have nowhere to sleep. Enough animal, foul dog, puss, goat dead. Enough germs and disease that go start break out. So we need to start helping people them as soon as possible. But you need to deploy the soldier them right across the board. So who were willing to help people and bring supply to people should not have to fret, should not have to worry. Everywhere them look, they should have see police and soldier. And the 87 them were out there rob, thief, and hurt people. The whole of them get dirt, no arresting. Because if you see a category 5, if you see a disaster like this, and you choose to rob on your brothers and sisters, on is no longer human being, on an animal, and we are going to treat you as such. Straight dirt things, the whole of them forget how crime and violence forget out of hand. In a hurricane, in a disaster, them people here we are jankro, the people we are bring down Jamaica. them take time to be opportunists in a them time yeah, for rob them brothers and sisters. Uno no have no humanity, uno no have no morals, uno no have no heart, and uno forget bullet. So right now, big up to all of the celebrity them we out there, cause uno are do a better job than the government. And that me I tell you now. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.